So I stopped the video for a while. This is a recorded video, so that now I will be changing the cars, and I will be coming out with the fun cargo from my garage. Again, one can see that first the fun cargo is being recognized, and then the number plate is recognized as well. Once the number plate vanishes, the system, the picture on the right hand side, it freezes, it stops, because obviously it cannot see the number plate. I am partially satisfied with this outcome. I would like faster processing times. I will have to figure out how to make the process faster. Again, this is all done on the Rock 5B.